This episode is brought to you by The Guarantors. Chasing down residents who don't pay their rent is taxing enough. Did you know you could offset the risk of renter default? Meet The Guarantors. They'll requalify your applicants and insure their rent. If the resident doesn't pay, you still get paid. Visit theguarantors.com/multifamily today.
Centralization or operational efficiency, operational design? I just pulled down Don Beveridge's latest article, which posted this morning, June the 6th of 2024. And that talks about the centralization of the service side of the business. And first and foremost, I want to argue that centralization is the wrong word. Now, I've been an advocate for centralization and the word centralization for a very long bit of time. Let's date it back like 15 years plus minus. But today I am of the mind that what we are talking about here, both on the leasing side, the administrative side, and the maintenance side, service side of the business, is operational design, operational efficiency. It's operational design under the guise or under the direction of operational efficiency. And so we need to get that. We need to get centralization completely out of our mindset because it is not the word. Centralization is about command and control. Very limited amount of people, small number of people making business decisions on a daily basis. Now, in Dom's article, which I totally agree with, point number 3, triage and dispatch. You have to read the article to get the context here, but one of the points that he makes about being able to get yourself to a point where you can centralize your service side of the business, you have to understand that there's triage and dispatch. And that is the operational design. That is the operational efficiency that we are doing. That is the thing we are doing. It's design and dispatch, right? It's triage and dispatch. There's a gentleman in Portland, Oregon, who's centralized from the day they built the company. The company was built around this. It was operationally designed around this dispatch and triage of leasing, of administration, and of the service side of the business. The way he put it, command and control. So here's what I'd posit to you today. This centralization, this operational design, this operational efficiency, this triage and dispatch is about command and control. Period. End of sentence. It's command and control. You organize the tasks, you triage the tasks through command and control to your labor set. That's it. It's that. It's simply that. You organizationally design around the idea that you are going to command and control the work that needs to be done. And you're going to do that right now through humans, but very near future, like inside of this calendar year and leading into the first quarter of next year, it's all going to be done by AI. All that choreography is going to be done by AI. It's not going to be the human telling the other human what to do. It's going to be AI telling the other human or telling the human what to do. In some cases, it will tell other AI engines what to do. But in this case, it's going to be commanding and controlling the human's day as it relates to the tasks they need to get accomplished. So get that baked into your head very quickly, because that's what's going to be so profound and mind-blowing for our labor set in the multifamily space. No longer is the human going to be telling you what to do. It's going to be a robot telling you what to do. And you have to get used to that. Take care. Talk to you again soon.